24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publisher. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Letter M. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. As we know that there are 4 basic skills for learning any language. These are listening, speaking, reading and writing. This informative video focuses on these skills so that children get maximum exposure, which will help them to become proficient learners in future. Listening and speaking activity. Say Assalamu alaikum and good morning to the children. Encourage them to greet you back. Introduce yourself to them. Then ask them to introduce themselves. If some children are shy and hesitant to speak, the teacher is supposed to introduce them to the whole class. Let us learn about the English alphabet. There are 26 letters in English alphabet. Out of 26, 5 are vowels and 21 are consonants. This time, it's the 13th letter, M. Use the writing board and write letter M. Open the book and talk about the scene related to letter M. Ask questions from the children. For example, what do you see in this picture? What is happening in the picture? Ask them to identify the objects that start with the sound M. Recognition of capital and small letter M and related vocabulary activity. Write capital letter M and tell the children that M is the 13th letter of English alphabet. Then write small letter m. Point to capital M and tell them that its name is capital M. Then point to small m and tell them that its name is small m. Sound of the letter remains the same whether it is capital or small. Tell the children that they will be recognizing capital and small letter M. Learn its related vocabulary and write the capital and small letters M with correct formation. Start the lesson by telling the following story of letter M. Once upon a time, there was a monkey who loved eating mangoes. The monkey also loved watching the full moon. So, on a fine full moon night, he sat on top of his roof and saw the moon shining brightly. There he found a broken mirror which he bought from a fair. He looked at his image in the mirror and started making funny faces at it while eating mangoes. Ask the children to tell the words that start with the letter M. Yes. Magnet. Repeated 3 times. Mask. Repeated 3 times. Monkey. Repeated 3 times. Mirror. Repeated 3 times. Write the letter M on the writing board. Tell the children that this is small letter M and it says M. Say the sound of letter M. Introduce the vocabulary with the help of the book. Show pictures and say words with their initial sound. Mask. Magnet. Monkey. Mask. Magnet. Monkey. Mask. Magnet. Monkey. Magnet. Mask. Monkey. Mirror. Repeated 3 times. Ask the children to repeat after you. Involve the class in this process. Tell the children M is a consonant. Group activities. Organize the students in different groups and perform the following group activities. Group number 1. Provide the students with flashcards of fruits and different materials and instruct them to do sorting of flashcards of fruits or things that begin with letter M. Group number 2. Provide the students with white sheet or plain paper and instruct them to draw things that start with letter M. Group number 3. Take the students to playing area and instruct them to make mango shake. Group number 4. Instruct each student to write letter M with correct formation. Paste the pictures they draw from letter M on their copies. Note: make sure every student performs group activity. Formation of capital and small letters M activity. Draw 4 lines on the writing board. Write capital letter M on the first 3 lines and give instructions. Start from the top line and draw a straight line touching the 3rd line. Go back to the starting point and draw a slanting line to the right side touching the 3rd line. Then draw a slanting line up to the top line. Draw another straight line down touching the red baseline. Small m. Write small letter M on the middle 2 lines and give instructions. Start from the 2nd line and draw a straight line down. Next, go back up to the middle and around to the bottom. Now, go back again to the middle and around to the bottom. Encourage them to write capital and small letters M in the air, or on their desks, or on their hands with the help of index finger. Ask them to open their textbooks and write capital and small letters M with the help of dots. Write some jumbled letters on the writing board and ask the children to recognize M. Reinforcement worksheet of capital and small letters M can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.